Three wheel looking 75 on 20. Hello YouTube, welcome to Donk Chevy, and today best donks. Lane 75.
This is how they pull up in BNP. This is how they pull up in BNP. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious.
Beautiful. On 26.
Both of them boys on there ready. And he got some locked in races. What's going down?
Good squad.
Hit the lights on that bitch. Hit the lights on. What's that, a Camaro?
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee? Hit the back lights on that bitch. Hit a U-turn one more time so I can get you good. I want to get you good on the video. Come back this way.
This camera had a looking strange.
Yeah, we got three wheels on the back. Hit that three-wheel motion on Bumblebee. Hit the three-wheel motion. Three-wheel on y'all ass. And he got them rock wheels on that bitch.
Three wheel looking like a little laser.
Okay. I know they can't. That's how you do it. What we on Hamilton?
And yes, it's not a donk. Oh, Olivia, oh. Good ride. Titans. Dude. Oh, this is new things on Nava Donk. This rims looking better. Beautiful. Oh. Use the max now.
There you go, boy. Alright, y'all know about big hubs. Here you go. Big hub D's, baby. Super clean donk. Woo, woo. Wow. Here you go. Is that squat? Is that stance?
Beautiful 7SD.
Killing it. Super clean car, guys. Beautiful car.
The limbs are good.
gotta learn how to do all that shit.
Oh, it's giveaway Donk for Blue Magic. Good engine sound. Oh, Colleen Donk Chevy. Oh, maybe Donk Chevy is this video. Oh, beautiful. $75 on 26 forgiatos. Oh, it's stuck really looking good. Too many power on the railways. Sounds like a big block engine. Oh, he did it. Maybe it's now. Okay. Ooh. Donk racing in slow motion. Good start.
No!
Clean. Oh, head to interpretation. It's powerful indeed. Right, beautiful dog. Okay, thank you for watching. Click like if you like and subscribe and watch another video. Bye bye.